Progressive Dimensions. I'm the install manager. We're here today beginning the install of countertops. When my guys show up, when the guys pull into your driveway, having a clear path from the door to your kitchen is greatly appreciated. Having any pets put away, children, they do use some glue. There is sometimes an odor. Having all of your appliances in place in most situations is beneficial to us. If your dishwasher is in place, what we do is we put a bracket up. We do not mount the dishwasher. We do not attach the plumbing or any type of electric, but having it in so my guys can mount that bracket properly is helpful. Having the stove in place, make sure that we can assure the fit, make sure that the template was done right, the install was done correctly, so when we do leave the house, we know that you guys will be as satisfied as we are doing it.